In Section 5, how to apply this knowledge to apply it in a real-world scenario. In this video, we're finally going to use TypeScript in a real-world scenario in ASP.NET Core. But before we go ahead, we have to mention a couple of points. We're going to need in this tutorial the Visual Studio 2019, and I'm going to show you how to get it if you don't have it already. I'm going to use another tool called Gulp. What is Gulp? Gulp is a cross-platform streaming task runner that lets developers automate many development tasks. At high level, Gulp reads files as streams and pipes the streams to different tasks. You probably are familiar with task runners like Gulp. Let's go ahead and see this in action. As I mentioned that we need Visual Studio 2019, at least this is the one that I'm using. You can go ahead to this link, visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads. Go ahead and choose the Community Edition, it's free, you can go ahead and download it. It will open up a file like this. Make sure to select the .NET Desktop Development and the ASP.NET Web Development and the .NET Cross-Platform Development as well. Once all of these selected, you can go ahead and hit install, and you will have the Visual Studio, the same as I have, for free. Go ahead and open the Visual Studio. Let's perform our task. So I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to choose ASP.NET Core Web Application. Go ahead and give it any name that you like, so maybe Hello World TypeScript. Create. Okay, we have a bunch of options in here. We're going to stick with the empty project and make sure that you're using ASP.NET Core. Okay, I'm not going to change anything, just leave everything as it is. Only make sure that you're using .NET Core and an empty project. Go ahead and hit create. Okay, here is our project, and if you take a look, there is some kind of an exclamation mark on the dependencies because they are being downloaded right now. Just give it a couple of seconds and they will be finished and this mark will be removed. Here it is, as I told you. Right now we don't have much. We have only the ASP.NET Core and the Razor design. Not much to be seen. So we have to prepare this project to accept TypeScript. So we're going to create a new file. I'm going to choose from this list JSON file. I'm going to name this package. Go ahead and add this file. This file is going to hold the dependencies for my project, so I'm going to type dependencies. As you can see, Visual Studio is helping me a lot in here. I'm going to choose dependencies, and I'm going to choose, let me enlarge the font for you. So I'm going to make it 200, that's good, I hope. And I'll be choosing the Gulp, as we mentioned in the presentation. I'm going to choose the last version, and I'm going to choose the Gulp-TypeScript. Here it is. Also, I'm going to choose the last version. Then I'll be choosing the TypeScript itself. Okay. Also, there is a new release. It's 3.5, I believe, RC. It's still candidate release. It's not final. Here it is. Go ahead and choose it. Once this is done, go ahead and save this. As you can see, the asterisk in here means that this file is not saved, so I'm going to save it. And I'm going to hit build, but I would like you to monitor the dependencies. Right now, we don't have anything except for the NuGet SDK analyzer, and we have only ASP.NET Core. We don't have any other thing. Just watch it. Go ahead and build the project. Here it is. As you can see right now, we have a new folder called MBM, and it contains the Gulp, the version that we specified, the Gulp-TypeScript, and the TypeScript itself. The first one here, which is the Gulp, as we mentioned, we installed Gulp, or we wanted to use this package. Then we have the TypeScript language itself, and the Gulp-TypeScript is going to convert the TypeScript into JavaScript. So we are done for the first part. We prepared our project to be accepting TypeScript